Your money speaks. The second bhava, one house, five pillars, money, family, speech, food, and mantra. Don't just see planets, see the nakshatra. Nakshatras are the fixed energy sources. Planets only distribute. Money is kinetic, it can elevate or destroy. Earning, sixth for employment, 10th for profession, seventh for business. Spending, watch the 12th, Moon and Venus, handle with care. What you do with money matters more than how much you earn. Well placed Jupiter and Saturn bless wisdom. Mars manage ego. Avoid impulsive outflows. Remember, life is a lease. You own nothing. In a world of noise, even seconds of clarity can shape decades. Let Prashna Siddhi be your guide. Follow Prashna Siddhi for daily insights.